weirdos! My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be filming a get ready with me. Kasi I feel like nag-change na yung makeup routine ko. So a lot of you are asking me, paano ako kinacurl yung hair ko kahit short yung hair ko? Kasi my hair is kind of like a soft mullet. So parang dito mahaba. Tapos pa-short ng pa-short. Gets? Pero I don't want to sobrang short. Kaya sabi ko sa kapatid ko, ganito lang. Kaya medyo weird yung hair ko ngayon. Parang ang gulo. So, yeah. Pero nakaka-curl ko pa din. And pag kinocurl ko, hindi nakikita yung soft mullet. If I put it in a straightener, if I straighten it, nakikita yung soft mullet ko. I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup for how I film my videos, how I parang get ready whenever I go out in the house, and also how I audition. I also do my makeup. Same, halos same. So when you audition, usually light makeup lang. So, yun lang, light makeup lang tayo. And this is what I do usually pag may school ako. And sorry if I always go here, kasi andito yung nakikita ko yung mukha ko kasi this is just the camera and this is the viewfinder ba yun? Basta yun. So, yeah. Let's start. Hello. Oh, diba? Ang galing. Oh, open transition na naman. Charot. Okay, so, ang gagawin natin is, since I primed my face na, I did prime my face every time. So, always ko naman to pinapakita sa tutorial ko. I'll just put the products below, yung mga what I use. Then after that, pag kunyari I woke up late dun sa school ko kasi I'm still a college student and my course is interior design, BSID. Yeah. Tapos, pag late ako, ito na lang paminsan, like yung BB cream na lang ako. So, this is Celeteque from, yeah, Brightening Multi-Benefit BB Cream. Yun. Makikita mo lang siya sa grocery or sa Mercury Drug. Diba? I can't start my morning pag, or can't be productive pag, hindi ako nag-makeup. I don't know. If ako lang yon, then, arte ko. Then, we're gonna use, see, I told you. Hindi ko pa nga ito na gagamit eh. We're gonna use CoverGirl True Blend. It's lit. You know, it's lit. Ano pa ito? Open. See, bago pa lang. So, this is True Blend. It's lit CoverGirl. Actually, yung favorite kong, ano ba ito? Open. Oh, okay. Tapos kiklik mo. Wow. Hindi nga. Ano ba? Ano ba? Ano ba to? May instruction ba? So how do you take it? How do you turn it? Oh, okay. That's how you do it. So, naging ano na siya. Okay, I need okay, ito na lang. Since I can't find my mirror, I'll just use this one. Okay. Meron na siyang. So, if you keep pressing it pala, okay, sige. Ay, if you keep turning it pala, ay, bakit ako wait lang. Before that pala, let's do foundation first. So, I always use L'Oreal N7 True Match. My shade is N7. Yeah, so, ganito lang yung ginagawa ko. So, N7 True Match. And then, what I do is, Ganito lang. Actually, when I do makeup, sobrang tahimik ko eh. And that's weird kasi hindi ako tahimik talaga. Yung tahimik na tao. Sobrang gulo ko. And then, I use this foundation brush. Taray! O, diba? To blend it. Hindi ko kaya yung ginagawa sa TikTok. Do you know that trend? Yung sobrang dami niyang foundation. I cannot do that. Baka magkikiki yung face ko. Pero I heard maganda daw siya sa, parang pag sa, tawag dito, pag photoshoots, ganyan. Pero pag, if you want to audition at something, ganon, they prefer light makeup lang. Also, if you don't have time, pag sa school ka na, diba? So, medyo light siya. Pero that's okay. So, again, I'm using, for my foundation, I use L'Oreal. And then, for my concealer, it's CoverGirl. Yeah, I just tried that out also. Pero I usually conceal. Or if wala akong time mag-conceal, I just put foundation then put powder. So, we're just gonna blend it in. And disclaimer, hindi ako as you can see, hindi ako makeup artist or even a professional hairstylist. Okay, I like this foundation, man. Like, kita niyo ba? Ganda rin. Bet. Nakaupo ako actually kasi tinatamad na ako. Akakangawit pag nakatayo ako always. So, I'm using my favorite powder, BYS. Since, Since high school, ito na yung gamit ko. Wala nang iba. Kasi yung iba, hindi siya naglalast sa face ko. I don't know why. So, you guys message me actually kung if I tried Humiere. Parang siyang Lumiere, pero Humiere. Hue kasi color. Duh. I swear, this actually takes 10 minutes lang. And sorry if may narinig ko yung aso. I think it's my neighbor. Na kumakahol. Anyways, again, I'm using KIKO Milano for bronzer. I don't do the like ganon. Kasi hindi ko siya, ayoko. Ganyan lang. And then after that, I go with the brows. So, bumili ako ng brows ko, pero it's just this one. It's just this one from Milani. I actually bought my makeup from Beauty Manila kasi parang the next day, nandun na siya agad. Diba? So yeah, I'm just gonna do yung angle brush ko yun. Taray angle brush. Tapos, yeah, ito. I'm just, yung kilay ko, I'm just following it. Angry Birds. Just miss it. Ang ganda ng ilaw ngayon. Kasi it's currently 3:20. Yeah, maganda yung ilaw pag golden hour. Pag golden hour, maganda yung ilaw talaga. Okay, I guess it's my turn. Char. Singer. I think okay na yan. Hindi sila pantay. Never ko sila napapantay. Like, aware naman ako na hindi siya pantay. We're done! Okay, we're gonna do is eyeliner, Beauty Glazed. I usually see the weird. I have two eyeliners. Like I said, Yung isa, pag nagmamadali na, then the next is andito lang sa bahay. So, I use Beauty Glazed eyeliner, black. Yun. Ako lang ba yun, na parang pag left eye, tapos pag right eye? Pag nag-eyeliner, or weird lang ako? And then, like I said, minimal lang. Minimal. Yun. I'm gonna do my eyes. Pero lobat na to. So, see you later. Alright, I'm back. Charge na siya. So, I will do a parang everyday look lang talaga siya. So, I'll use this one and this one. Combine lang. I use this one for my inner corners. Yung dito. Here. So, ito. Yeah, for the lash. And then, I'm gonna use Dapit Hapon from Lip Pinas. I just saw their Instagram. Tapos, I wanna try it. So, ganyan lang yung hair ko. Ay, yung blush ko. Madami. Also, if you guys are wondering, this one is from Jayden&Co. So, if you guys are curious kung saan ko to nakuha or nabili, it's on Instagram. I'm gonna link their shop below as well. Sobrang ganda niya, and yung quality ng top or the fabric, super nice. Kala mo, sobrang mahal, pero it's not. It's really not. If I have time, I put highlight, pero I have time naman. Will also film my project din kasi ay may assignment. So yeah. And then I'm gonna use Elitism. I will also link their description below, their shop. I must say yung shades nila parang made for Morena shades. I actually mix it with, again, this one, Elitism. I think this is Lotus Bloom, I believe. The other one that I use right now is Mystic Chic. O, diba? Mukha akong walang labi. But, this is what I like din naman. Like, pinkish tone. Ganun. And then sometimes, I top it off with my jars. If you guys don't know, I also sell lip gloss. So, yeah. Can avail. Pero right now, it's not available. The Lotus Bloom is not available right now kasi... Ay, the Lotus Bloom. The Blossom collection is not available because all the collections that we have is just small. We make it into small batches. So, I'm actually thinking of a concept yung everyday na parating available na lip gloss. Because you guys, mahilig kayo sa lip gloss. Pero our lip gloss makes your lips moisturize, ganun, and it's not sticky. And yes, may hint of pink siya. Kaya kahit ito yung gamit nyo, it's okay naman. You see the gloss, man? I made that. My sister and I made that. Ganon. So yeah, I set parang pa-X. Yeah, nakita ko lang yun recently. So, ano daw? Diba? My gosh. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Just let it sit. And then, let's do the hair. I'm back. So, I will do now is my hair. Medyo frizzy siya. So, yeah. Mukha lang siya hindi. So, meron ako dito. Ito siya, oh. I think this is 4. May maliit pa nito eh. I don't know where it is. Pero sobrang liit niya. And, meron siya nito. I got it, my sister got this from Shopee. I'm gonna ask her anong link. Ano yung Shopee link. So, para makuha nyo din. So, yeah, this is how. So, ito yung kinukuha ko. Kasi, I think this is the biggest. I forgot na kung ano yung size. So, wait. This is the biggest. Then, this is yung second. Ito yung pang third. So, yung third yung ginagamit ko. So, yeah. Ito siya. When my hair is down, like I said, mullet siya. Half up. Ganito. So, tintali ko yan. And then, I curl it. But, yeah, so this is how I, curl my hair. I get a lot of big pieces kasi gusto ko big chunk siya na curl. So, yeah. And then, 20 or 10 to 15 seconds siguro. And then, I don't comb it muna. Once it's done, that's where I comb it. Okay, so once done na yung section na to, see, ibababa ko yung half, tapos tinali ko yung isa. Para hindi maghalo, para I don't miss any spots. And then, 10 to 15 seconds if you want. So, kaya hindi ako nagbabangs actually. Inayos ko pala yung hair ko. And the reason why ganito yung parati kong get yung look. Mas put together. But this is the look. Ang arte. So, kunyari lalabas tayo, ganito, ganyan, lalabas. Yan. May mask tayo. Hello. So, yeah. Ganito lang.